How to kill grass seed. Killing grass and the grass seed. The grass constantly drops onto the ground is important if you plan to install a mulched area such as a play area, rock bed or flower bed. If you do not kill the grass and grass seed, it can quickly poke up through the mulch and become a serious issue for your new area. You can use chemicals to kill the grass, but, usually, they only last a season and the chemicals are bad for the environment. There is a more natural alternative for killing grass and grass seed. Things you'll need: lawn mower, hose, newspapers, mulch or landscaping fabric. Mow the area you want to kill with your lawnmower. Place the lawnmower on its lowest setting to cut the grass as low to the ground as possible. Wet the grass with a garden hose. Place sheets of newspaper over the area you want to kill in an intersecting and overlapping pattern. Spray the layer of newspaper with water and then add an additional layer of newspaper. In total, alternate between laying papers and spraying the paper until you have at least 7 layers of newspaper. The newspaper will kill the grass and biodegrade, adding nutrients to the soil. Place mulch or landscaping fabric over the newspaper. Mulch is great for a play area or a flower bed. Landscaping fabric also works for these areas and is also great for rock beds.